Otaheiti apple. Mmm, that's the seed inside, okay? Now this is Stacy in Jamaica, but I'll catch you in Japan real soon. I'm just enjoying my last Otaheiti apple. It's so delicious, so sweet, and a little tangy, a little bit of sour, but really sweet, very cool and refreshing. It was in the refrigerator. See how big the seed is? Don't eat the seed. It's like a Valentine fruit, red and white, but guess what? It's not usually around in February. Maybe you could find it though, like really. Seed. Don't eat the seed, okay? Now this part is the stem. You can't eat that part either. So I'm going to be eating around it. Of course, you can do the really decent thing and cut and slice it up, yada yada yada. But that's not how we do it here in Jamaica. Nothing like fresh fruit to start the morning. Okay, I'm really enjoying this, and I'd like to finish enjoying it off camera. So bye for now from Stacy in Jamaica. But I'll catch you in Japan real soon with my Otaheiti apple. We all know there's none in Japan, right? Okay, okay. See you.